Welcome to Money Basics. Today you'll learn about the Rule of 72, one of the most powerful mental math tricks for understanding investments. This simple formula helps you quickly estimate how long it takes for your money to double through compound interest. Whether you're planning for retirement, evaluating investment options, or just curious about how money grows, the Rule of 72 is an essential tool that every investor should master. The Rule of 72 is beautifully simple. You take the number 72 and divide it by your interest rate to find out how many years it takes for your money to double. For example, if you have an investment earning 6% annually, you divide 72 by 6, which equals 12 years. This means your money will approximately double every 12 years at a 6% return rate. Let's see the Rule of 72 in action with two common scenarios. With a 6% interest rate, we calculate 72 divided by 6, which equals 12 years to double your money. With a 9% interest rate, 72 divided by 9 equals 8 years. Notice how just a 3% difference in interest rate reduces the doubling time by 4 whole years. This shows the incredible power of compound interest and higher returns. Here's how you can implement the Rule of 72 in Python code. First, define a function called rule_of_72 that takes an interest rate as input. Inside the function, calculate years equals 72 divided by interest rate, then return the result. You can test it with examples like 6% and 9% rates. This simple function makes it easy to calculate doubling times for any interest rate. The Rule of 72 is perfect for quick estimates and mental calculations during investment planning. It's incredibly useful when comparing different investment options or explaining compound interest to others. However, keep in mind its limitations. The rule is less accurate for very high interest rates above 15% or very low rates below 3%. For precise calculations, especially with unusual rates, consider using exact compound interest formulas instead. Remember the formula. 72 divided by interest rate equals years to double. This simple calculation is your key to understanding investment growth at a glance. Master this formula, and you'll have a powerful tool for quick investment estimates and better financial planning. The Rule of 72 transforms complex compound interest concepts into simple mental math that anyone can use to make smarter financial decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.